Hey, Juice, Journey to the Truth and Total Randomness here. I just wanted to give a little tip. Like, if you're doing your inner tie rod, like I have the inner tie rod removal tool, and there's plenty of tutorials that show you how to use it. But this is just a quick tip video. This right here, if you put that tool on there and it keeps flopping around it, and like you'll get it locked in, and then you go to turn it to the left to unloosen it, and it just keeps spinning around it. Try put try some heat on it. Like a this right here is what I used. I put heat on it for like 45 seconds to a minute, and it got nice and hot. And when I put the tool back on it, it literally took 2 seconds to take it off. It was like pulling a knife out of butter. I mean, it was really seized on there. Like the other side, I got out no problem, but this side, it was really seized. It was like literally this portion right here kept sliding around the bolt every time. It wouldn't grip. It would grip, but then it was so much torque I was putting on it to get it off, it would just slide around it. And this is the most snug fitting there is that I have for that inner tie rod. But as soon as I put the heat on for like 45 seconds, and then I went to take it off, it literally came off in 2 turns. So just thought I'd give you guys that little bit of advice. All right, bye.